Welcome back, friends. Friends, the cheapest and easiest way to improve English is listening English videos and English songs. Listening to English songs and videos will help you improve your pronunciation. So, let's start today's video. तू घरी केव्हा पोहोचणार आहेस? When are you getting home? When are you getting home? तुला काय झालंय? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? मी तुला कंटाळलो आहे. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you. मला तसं म्हणायचं नव्हतं. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. तू खूप सुंदर आहेस. You are very gorgeous. You are very gorgeous. माझ्याशी बोलू नको. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. तुला कसं वागायचं कळत नाही. You are ill-mannered. You are ill-mannered. आज मला बाहेर जावंसं वाटत नाही. I don't feel like going out today. I don't feel like going out today. आपल्या आरोग्याची पर्वा न करता तू तासनतास काम केले. You worked for hours without caring for your health. You worked for hours without caring for your health. तू माझं का नाही ऐकलं? Why didn't you listen to me? Why didn't you listen to me? मला माझी चूक कळाली. I understood my mistake. I understood my mistake. मी थोड्या वेळात येतो. I'll come in a little while. I'll come in a little while. हा रोग हलक्यात घेऊ नको. Do not take this disease for granted. किंवा तुम्ही असंही म्हणू शकता. Don't take this disease for granted. आता इथून पुढे हे लक्षात ठेव. Now keep this in mind for future. Now keep this in mind for future. तू फोनवर कोणाशी बोलत आहेस? Who are you talking to on the phone? Who are you talking to on the phone? Like, share and subscribe, friends.